With these different samples actually, and you see we are working in the FMD at the moment very intensively on the so-called universal sensor platform. And this is the large 300mm wafer here on glass, and we do here a redistribution on top, and then we assemble a die, and then it's molded. And then afterwards it's singulated, and you get very, very small modules. Just in the back here, the other wafer in the back, you see a 200mm wafer with also molding. And here also we work with the FMD together, mainly with the Leibniz Institute AHP. They're working here on very high frequency devices, on devices up to 100 and 150 gigahertz. And they need a high-end package. And that we offer in small volume. And we also want to go with Euro practice, that even have the possibility for university to institute.
So we are very happy to have equipment which was financed by Forschungsfabrik Mikroelektronik Deutschland, where all these things were made from. We see different things from power electronics packaging, 3D printing, printing of paste material for sintering technology, and selective sintering on printed circuit boards.
Hello, welcome here in Nuremberg to the PCIM at the place where Fraunhofer IZM shows on the gun diets, and we are going to integrate the new FMD equipment into our process line for better production and research.